Hey gang, Dan here, tradingology.com. Just wanted to pull up a nice quick little update here. We've had a string of negative fours on our YMNQ spreadsheet that we track for our volatility arbitrage trades. We finally got one that's not a negative four, 4 days straight. And a good sign here, we do have a one in our first column of the binary trend. So the spreadsheet's looking like it has a good possibility that we may get back into the positive numbers. We'll see what happens overnight, see what our bias turns out to be. For those that aren't trading this yet, this is the volatility arbitrage, latest and greatest that we've worked on over the years, and we do have a masterclass on it that you can see at tradingology.com. If you got any questions, shoot us an email at support@tradingology.com. Be happy to answer any questions you have. Looking at it from a daily chart, this is a perspective of that spreadsheet with scripts that we have created so you can see it in a visual. So one nice thing that I did notice looking at the bell curve oscillator here, which is the same numbers that we see here in the bell curve, this is a snapshot in time of the closing numbers where these have been negative fours. When we look at the ongoing, we see just a slight uptick because this takes into account the time after the bell when the futures contracts close. So this does have a nice trend to the upside, which is following suit with that positive here. The ROC, which is rate of change, is a positive. Everything is looking kind of leaning towards the positive bias here. So we have a good leaning depending on what happens on overnight. And we see we might have a positive bias as well for tomorrow. That may show up in our trade setup alerts that we do provide to those subscribers. The last piece that we do have, and you guys that have been watching for this will be coming very soon. I just got one last update that I need to do for the ARB volume. These are for the 2.0 scripts that we've put in more for swing trading. And looking at that, we do see an upturn. It's not green yet. We're not above it, but we are pointing towards the positive side as well on the 2.0 script. So any questions, hit me up at support. I'll be interested to see how this day turns out. We actually will have a trading room session tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern. So looking forward to see you guys then. Have a good night, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.